Hello and welcome back to episode number 5 of the Proof of Stake experiment. We've been staking 11 different cryptocurrencies to find out which one profits and stakes the most, with just $250 invested in each of them. If you're new to the channel and new to the show, I suggest you go back through to episode number 1 on the playlist. But before we check our wallets and our results, let's have a look at what's happening in the crypto world. So today is Thursday, 8th of August 2019. We're at a total market cap of 309 billion, a BTC dominance of 68%, and a total volume of about 82 billion. So what's been happening with this crypto world at the moment? Why has everything jumped? Because last week we were at around 273 billion, but today we're at 309 billion. Let's have a look at the 7-day chart. So as you can see, Bitcoin has jumped about 19%, which is a huge jump just within 7 days. Ethereum is also doing very well with 5.4%. Ripple is down for some reason, so nothing is consistent here. So alts are pumping, however some are taking hits as well, especially Cardano. Wow, Cardano took a huge 12% hit. But then we have some others like BNB doing very well with 10.3% up higher. So what's been happening, and what I believe is happening with the Bitcoin price, is there is actually a currency war going on with the US and China, with the US accusing China of currency manipulation, which has perhaps sent investors seeking out new safe havens, and cryptocurrency being one of them, as well as gold and silver and other commodities as well. So I believe there is a recession definitely coming very soon. There's too much news trending that just screams out recession is coming out soon. Plus we have Brexit coming along as well. I will make another video on all of these matters very soon, but as you can see, there has been a jump within just 7 days, a huge pump. So we started out around just under 10,000, and then we got over 12,000. However, it slid back down and then bounced, and now it looks like it's just going to go sideways from now on. So that's what's been happening for this week in cryptocurrency. And in other news, Binance Jersey are giving away €10 for every sign up they receive. The requirements are you have to have a European passport or form of ID. You must also complete the KYC process, and you need to use the link below. So €10 for about 6 minutes worth of work is definitely worth it. And this also applies for fellow UK citizens as well. We still haven't left the euro just yet, and they support euro and GBP sterling options as well. So here are the wallets. We're going to have a look at Stratis, and we have no stakes for Stratis so far. Next up, we're going to have a look at Exclusive Coin, and Exclusive Coin has a few stakes, so I believe it's more than probably 10. As you can see, it goes all the way up to today, with current stake just here as well. So I'll do those calculations a bit later. I believe there should be about 18 or 17. Moving on to ARK. And ARK we have at 0.102 here, so that's one stake for ARK. And on Galleon wallet for Tezos we have 0 stakes, so I'm not too sure when the stakes will start arriving in for this one. However, I do believe we still need to wait perhaps a few more days, but we'll see. That's everything for these wallets. Let's move on to the next. So moving on to our O3 wallet, we're going to have a look at GAS and ONG, and here it says there is 0.025 GAS available and ONG 2.24. However, I believe that hasn't actually synced yet, so I'm just going to try and sync and verify this. So it's just synced up for gas, and it says I can make a claim here, so I'm just going to do so for gas. However, ONG is still showing as disabled, and it's not showing in the wallet here, so I'm not too sure what's going on, but I will find out what's actually going on with this one. So moving on to Compound, and you can see the actual supply rate has gone down to 11.84%. However, 11.84% is still much higher than most banks will ever give you, and the total amount of interest earned here is 3.4422, so equivalent to around $3.40, which is pretty good for just $250 being put in. Now imagine this to be $2,560, then you'll be getting around $34, and if you think a bit more, then it should be like, even if you have this as 25,000, then you'll be getting about $350. So it's actually very, very good rate here. Moving on to the plasma chain of the Loom network here, we can see unclaimed rewards here of 4.8896, so we're just going to claim this reward here and see this through. So I'm just going to sign this contract, and it's now claiming the rewards. However, I'm not too sure if this is the total amount or if this is the total amount, but I will find out. Let's move on to the next wallets. So just looking at our V-Thor wallet, we have 488.69, which is still staking hard. However, Vechain in total has taken a huge hit in the price. As you can see, it's already down 2.76, and V-Thor is down 5.26. That's a huge loss right there. Moving on to TomoChain. So TomoChain, you can see we've got a total here. Up here it says a 0.70, so I think we've had a few stakes, probably around 1 point something for this week, and that's the mobile wallets. So having a look at our Delta app, these are the stakes we received. Exclusive coin at number 1 with a massive $1.59, DAI in number 2 with 71 cents, Reddcoin at 18 cents, TomoChain at 12 cents, GAS at 10 cents, Ontology GAS at 9 cents, V-Thor token at 7 cents, and ARC at 2 cents. Here's episode 5 of the Proof Stake League. We have DAI still in at number 1 with $3.44 worth of stakes, and that gives us an ROI of 1.38 and a daily staking average of around 9 cents. Storming in at number 2, we have Exclusive Coin. Although the price of this has gone down, however, this stakes really hard. So total stakes we received is 24.5, total profit of around $2.06, and a daily staking average of 6 cents. So that's gone from position 4 to position 2. Reddcoin staying where it is as well, so profit of 95 cents. However, the price of this has gone down slightly. Loom, we had a few issues with the display amount, so it said I have in total 23.65, which I have placed in here. However, I'm not too sure if things are displaying correctly, so I've taken out the stake for this week, and I'm gonna check in a few days to see if everything is okay with this one. TomoChain staying put where it is with a profit of 68 cents. V-Thor has gone up slightly, although the price of it has gone down, but the staking is still pretty good, very consistent, and probably the easiest out of them all, so a profit of 51 cents. Stratis, on the other hand, has taken a huge hit in the price. I believe it was around 50s last weekend, now it's around 45 cents. And any other notables, Tezos is doing extremely well in terms of the price. We purchased around 90 cents. It's now worth $1.37. However, this one has yet to stake, so it would be interesting to wait for one stake of Tezos to see how much we actually get. So that's all we have time for today's episode. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to keep on following these updates, and hit that notification icon as well. And Don't forget to give me a thumbs up for the video if you enjoyed it. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and go to the website alphacrypto.cc. And thanks again to our partners and friends, Delta Crypto Portfolio Tracker. You can download this on iOS and Android devices. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.